If you want to uninstall or hide Microsoft Edge on your computer, there's a couple of ways to do that. First, click the Start menu, go to Settings, and once you're in Settings, on the left side, go to Apps, and once you're in the Apps menu, we're going to go to Installed Apps. I'll search for Edge here, which brings up Microsoft Edge. And here's the thing, when I click the three dots for more options, the Uninstall button is grayed out. That's because Microsoft considers Edge a core component of Windows 11 for users in North America, and because of that, uninstalling it isn't allowed here. Land of the free, right? If you're in Europe, for example, Microsoft does allow you to fully uninstall Edge due to regional regulations. But here's the thing, even if you could remove core system files like this, it can sometimes lead to broken WebView components in other Windows apps. So you don't necessarily need to uninstall it, and in most cases, hiding Edge and replacing it with another browser usually gets you the same practical result without risking any Windows stability issues. Since I can't fully uninstall it from here, the first thing I'll do is download another web browser. I actually already did it, so I have another browser installed and loaded on my computer. Once you've got one downloaded, go to Settings, Apps, and then Default Apps. In the list here, find the browser you want to use as your default. I downloaded Google Chrome, so I'll just select that and click Set Default. Now, Google Chrome is my default web browser. We're getting there. Next, we can also disable Edge from running in the background, so it doesn't do any sneaky stuff without us knowing about it. Go to the Start menu, search for Edge, and open it. Then click the three dots in the top right and go to Settings. Within Edge's settings, on the left, go to System and Performance. Here, turn off Startup Boost and continue running background extensions and apps when Edge is closed. Disabling those two makes sure Edge won't keep running in the background even when you're not using it. I'm just going to turn off every single toggle here because it makes me feel better, but realistically, all you need to turn off is the two toggles on the top. After that, if you have Edge pinned to your taskbar or Start menu, just right-click it and unpin it. And that is how you get rid of Microsoft Edge. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.